Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll show you what the Sculpiflex Cellulite or Cellulite Massager is, what it offers, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the official websites, the device is an on or is an at-home body sculpting device designed to help improve the appearance of cellulite, loose skin, and body contours. The company says that it combines some dynamic cupping and red light therapy and a microcurrent technology in only one handled or handheld device to support firmer looking skin and a more sculpted appearance. So according to the official websites here, they show you how it works exactly, or they explaining how it works, how does it feel like, where and when can you use it exactly. So if you want to know how to use it, anywhere example you've been hiding, lower belly, upper arms, sides, hips, and the kit includes of course a body specific attachment for belly, arms, legs. So just 15 minutes a day during a nap, after a shift in front of Netflix. So just go and use it whenever you want. You'll just have to apply it wherever you want and forget it. And of course, before purchasing, make sure to take a few minutes to review the full products carefully, see if it fits what you want or if it offers the features that you're looking for. Since the body sculpting device may produce different results for different people, it's always a good idea to do your own research before placing an order. And of course, according to the official websites, if you want to order, you'll have to choose if you want either to subscribe, as example, to get like the fresh pro gel delivered to your house every 30 day or not. So you'll have to choose a package, up to you. Then click on add to cart, choose an example, or go to the checkout, enter your shipping details, payment information, and before, as example, completing your purchase, make sure to carefully review everything like the pricing, shipping information, warranty, return policy, and any subscription option so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details can do and be basically doing your own research is always recommended. And according to the website, the device has a 30-day like money back guaranteed if you want or if you're looking for that. And of course, if you have any questions, you can review their frequently asked questions section where you can find many questions. And also at the bottom of the page, you will find the Contact Us section where you can basically ask any other question that you may not find in the frequently asked questions section. And as with any body care skincare device, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it, especially if you have a medical condition or if you are pregnant. Also, make sure to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So, if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.